Hi everybody, I'm Joey, and you can see maybe my puppy Teddy in the background. He's in the crate back there. He's sleeping. Hopefully he'll sleep through this video. But I just finished creating my cards for this month's Be Creative Club, and I used the hot air balloon from Stampin' Up. So I used these super cute dies. I realize there's a lot of glare there. There's super cute stamps, and then there are coordinating dies that come with it too. So what is Be Creative Club? It's a subscription club where you join, and if you are local, it's $35 a month. If you need it shipped, it's $41 a month. You can try it for 1 month for, let's see, I've got my 1 month prices here. It's a little bit more, but you can just try it for 1 month if you aren't comfortable subscribing right away. So, but it comes to your door every month, and I create 5 cards, kind of pretty much wild cards, and I design them. They're all my designs, and I prep all the supplies for you. Plus, you get a lot of supplies with the class to make more cards. So you get about $20 to $25 worth of product, as well as your prepped cards and their envelopes. You get a PDF tutorial with really clear directions and lots of pictures to help you. You get, as I said, 5 project kits for 5 cards. Sometimes there's a 3D project, usually it's cards. The printable PDF that has all the instructions, photos, and also a supply list, so you know what else I used if you want to, if you need that for reference. I also let you order whatever bundle it is or stamp set that I'm using for without tax or shipping on it. I pay the tax and shipping on it. That's another perk of it. And after 6 consecutive months, you get a $25 gift certificate from me for anything that you want. You get to choose it. You do need to subscribe by the 10th of the month, or if you want, let me say that again. You do need to subscribe by the 10th of the month, so that then I prep everything. If you're local, we meet on the 4th Thursday of the month. I'm in Lincoln, Nebraska, so if you're close enough to drive, then that's a great option. If you aren't close enough to drive, if you're long distance, I send them out right after the live class. I like to have the live class first, just in case I might have left out something, or you need maybe extra scrap paper that I didn't include enough of, anything like that. So I send them out right after that. So I send them out after that, the 4th Thursday of the month, and then you'll get them within a couple days because I send up priority mail. I'm going to flip my camera down and so that you can see the projects. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of the projects we're making. So I just need to click a little toolbar here. Hi Chris, I'm doing this Facebook Live, and I'm also posting it on YouTube. This is not my normal time for Facebook Live, so if you're one of my friends that just popped on that normally watches, I know I'm not at the normal time, but I thought I'd just go ahead and show all these cards because I just finished them. So I'm gonna flip my camera down. I'm gonna go upside down, but then you'll be right side up in a moment. Let me just click these down. And I forgot to actually get my iPad going here so that I can see what you're seeing. So hang on a second. I need to do that. It'll just take me a minute. Sorry about that. But in the meantime, you can see what the products are, and then I'll show you my cards in a second. So this month for February, you'll get some of each of these. So half a pack of the Designer Series paper that comes with this suite of products. The whole suite of products is called Hot Air Balloon. Is that it? Well, maybe I better check that. So let's check that out. And again, I better hang on. Let me make sure I can see what you're seeing, because I forgot to bring it up. Oh, it looks like I'm pretty good. I'm a little bit crooked, but you can. I'm in the general vicinity. Let me switch my camera around just a little bit more. Let's see if that's better. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Let me move you a little bit this way. And okay, that's good enough for what we're doing today. But it's on, let me just show you in the catalog so that you kind of know what I'm talking about. And if you don't have a catalog, let me know if you'd like to have one, if you don't have a demonstrator. I'd be happy to get one to you. It's on page 34 of this catalog. Well, here it is on pages 32 and 33. This shows you the suite of products. The whole suite's called Lighter Than Air, I think. Yes, Lighter Than Air. Here's some of their projects from Stampin' Up. And then on page 34 is the actual stamp set and dies with those products as well. Okay, so that shows you what products we're using, a sampling of what products you'll get with the class. And then I always say, just to be sure that sometimes things sell out, so I will substitute something of equal value if they do sell out. So far, these are all in stock, which is kind of amazing because they're so cute. All right, let me just give you a sneak peek of the cards we're gonna do. So here's one of them. Looking in the camera to make sure I'm in the camera. Here's another one. Here is the third one, and there's always 5, and you get the products to do 1 each of 5 cards. And then this one, super cute things to work with. And let me bring it back up here so I can see it. I'm upside down. But just let me know if you're interested. As I said, you can subscribe by the 10th of the month and get this kit. If you want to just take the class for 1 month, you can take Be Creative Club for just 1 month. Oh, I'll show you one more thing. This card is going to be sent to my email subscribers. So if you'd like to subscribe to my email list so you get the PDF tutorial for this. So this is the one I made today. Oh, thank you for the hearts, you guys. That's so sweet. So it's kind of like a double easel card. This little balloon, you see from the top. So this was really fun to make too. But this will be sent to exclusively to my email subscribers. So if you're interested in that as well, make sure you sign up for my email group. I will put all the links. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll put all the links in the video description below the video. If you're watching on Facebook, I'll also put all the links in the description of the video at the top. All right, my friends, thank you. I'll see you Wednesday for my class to go this week, which is hot air balloons. This week we're going to do 3 more cards with the hot air balloons, so I can't wait to show you those. They're all ready to go, and I'm anxious to share them with you on Wednesday. 12:30 Central Time, Create with Joey. Thank you. Bye-bye.